Sekarang saya berada di Jogger, lagi cari sesuatu. Mantap nih kacamatanya. Tadi setelah di rapid atau di swab, saya mampir ke Jogger untuk beli oleh-oleh. Dan sekarang sudah saya temukan apa yang saya cari. Saatnya kita lanjut.
Lagi bos. Boleh apa?
Di salah satu toko yang ada di Bali.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Ini saya beli pop mie sedap, harganya 15.000. Terus air mineral 10.000. Wow. Ini boleh disiram? Nih. Berapa? 25.
Sekarang kita udah ada di Bandara Ngurah Rai. Tepatnya sih di gate-nya. Kita menunggu pesawat, semoga aja nggak delay karena kita naik Lion. Semoga aja nggak delay. Nah, ini adalah end of trip dari kita semua dari PT3 Maharewa di Bali. Thank you Bali untuk semua kenang-kenangannya, suka dan duka. Dan semua foto-fotonya keren. Semoga bisa ada kesempatan lagi bareng teman-teman ke Bali lagi. Oke, itu aja ya.
Silakan saya cek boarding pass-nya. Tujuan Makassar, silakan nomor 39 Selamat siang, saya cek boarding pass. This is final approach for takeoff. May be reminded.
Alhamdulillah, sekarang saya sudah berada di Bandara Sultan Hasanuddin, Makassar.
Alhamdulillah sudah sampai di Makassar jam berapa ini? 5.20. Ya, tadi sempat pesawatnya delay 1 jam di Ngurah Rai. Tapi alhamdulillah kita sudah berangkat tadi jam 4-an lebih, sampai di Makassar jam 5.20 dan selamat. Semoga bisa ketemu, bisa liburan lagi, trip ke manakah dengan PT 3 Maharewa. Semoga ke Turki. Bisa jadi spoiler.
Asik, Turki coy.
Kita lihat aja lah.
Semoga.
Setelah ini kita semua balik ke rumah masing-masing dan besok kerja. Kerja. Ya, oke deh, itu aja ya. Selamat tinggal. Dah.
Semoga PT 3 Maharewa sukses terus, jaya terus.